Kia ora! Welcome to the first lesson on where. Today, we're going to learn how to ask and answer the question, where is someone or something? To ask, where is it? The question starts with kei, which indicates that we're talking about the present. Then we put the word hea, which means where. At the end, we put the thing that we're searching for, tingeru, for example, which means the cat. Kei hea tingeru. Where is the cat? To answer, we replace hea with the location. We could say konei, here, kona, there, by you, kora, there, away from you and I. Kei hea tingeru. Where is the cat? Kei konei tingeru. The cat is here. Kei kona tingeru. The cat is there, close to you. Kei kora tingeru. The cat is over there, away from you and I. Konei, kona, and kora follow the same rule as tēnei, tēnā, and tērā, which you can see in the lesson, What is this? We can also say the name of a place, te toa, for example, which means the store. And we can use the pronouns aho, koe, and ia. Kei hea koe. Where are you? Kei te toa aho. I'm at the store. Mara means garden. Kei hea ia. Where is she? Kei te mara ia. She's in the garden. It's important to remember that the location or the place immediately follows the word kei. Let's practice while learning some new words. Te kura means the school. Te pāka means the park. Te pāparakauta means the bar. Kei hea aho. Where am I? Kei te kura aho. I'm at school. Kei hea koe. Where are you? Kei te pāka ahau. I'm at the park. Kei hea ia. Where is he? Kei te pāpara kauta ia. He's at the bar. There you have it. Now you know how to say where something is. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to say where something was. Ka kite!